Minasan, konnichiwa, Joanna desu. So let's continue with the time. I am making many videos of the time lately, so we can try and learn how to say the time in Japanese, and then we are done with it. So we learned how to say the hours and the minutes a few weeks ago. We also saw the numbers this week, I think. So let's learn how to say the months today in Japanese. So first of all, how would you ask what month is it? That would be 何月ですか? 何月ですか? What month is it? 何月ですか? So the months are actually pretty easy. I mean easy in the sense that if you've been in my channel and if you've been studying Japanese for a while, this will be not very hard for you, but of course it's Japanese, it's hard. That being said, how do we say the months in Japanese? So in my opinion, the months are much more easier in Japanese than in another language, because you say the number and you add month. So that makes it much more easier. It's not like, for example, in English, we need to know or to study January, February, etc. Every month has a name. This doesn't happen in Japanese. It's number plus gatsu. This would be the kanji for month, and with the months, we would say gatsu. But, of course, we have some months that are pronounced differently or that we say differently. So this would be the month 4. So April would be 4月, 4月. Then we have July, the month 7 would be 7月. And then the month the month 9, September, would be 9月. So you need to keep in mind that month 4, 7, and 9 are pronounced just a tiny bit different, meaning that for the 7 we use the other numbers, and 9 we also say the ku, we say the other number. So the other ones are just the number plus gatsu, but let me say them for you just in case. So January would be 1月, February 2月, March 3月, April 4月, May 5月, June 6月, July 7月, August 8月, September 9月, October 10月, November 11月, and December 12月. Now I'm here like forgetting the months, sorry. But this would be how we would pronounce them. So let's give it a try. How would you say February in Japanese? Keep in mind that February is the month number 2. Okay, so February would be 2月, 2月. Good. How would you say April in Japanese? Keep in mind that April is month 4. Okay, so April would be 4月. 4月, because it's a little bit different. 4月. Done! I hope you liked this video. I hope it was a very short video for you to know the months of the year. So I hope you liked this video, and we'll see us in another one. Mata ne! Bye bye!